Isyana, what happened with the popcorn?
Way too much. way too much.
Way too much? Yeah, what happened? Why it became way too much?
Because you are distracted with a big bowl of corn.
Why I get distracted?
Because you are way too much like this.
Hmm?
You way too much. I said it was just a little bit, not way too much.
That's a popcorn. It's a corn pop from the. What is this? What do you call this?
Popcorn.
This one.
I don't know.
What should we do then?
I have to pour it in.
Put in where? In the basket. And that's it. Do you like popcorn?